Nike Training Club Elite Program pricing explained what you get for your money. The Nike Training Club Elite program costs around $99 per month or $99 per year, offering more than just workout videos. Most people think it's a casual fitness app, but the surprising truth is that it provides professional-level training guidance. Elite includes hundreds of workouts ranging from strength and endurance to mobility and yoga. It offers multi-week training plans tailored to your goals, whether it's building muscle, improving cardio, or increasing flexibility. Workouts are led by certified trainers, ensuring proper form, technique, and safety. Most people get this wrong. They assume the free version is enough. Elite unlocks premium features like personalized recommendations, detailed progress tracking, and advanced workout filters. You can track reps, weights, and calories burned, then see trends over weeks or months. Program also includes wellness tips, recovery advice, and nutrition guidance, helping you build sustainable habits alongside your workouts. Its intuitive interface and video demonstrations make it easy for anyone to follow, even if you're new to fitness. So, what do you get for your money? Professional-grade workouts, structured training plans, progress tracking, and wellness support all in one accessible app. If you want a holistic, flexible, and expert-driven fitness solution, Nike Training Club Elite offers tremendous value for its price.